In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase with Lovable AI. First, sign in to your Supabase account. After that, open a new browser tab and go to lovable.dev. Sign in to your Lovable account as well. Once you're on the Lovable dashboard, scroll down until you find the My Project section. Open the project you want to connect. After opening the project, click the option at the top of the page and select Connectors. On the Connectors page, you'll see different apps and services that you can connect to your project. Go to the search bar and search for Supabase. When the Supabase integration appears, select it and click Connect Supabase. You'll now be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the steps on the screen and allow Lovable to connect to your Supabase account. Once the authorization is complete, you should see a message confirming that the connection was successful. And that's it. That's how you can connect Supabase with your Lovable project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.